What's the meaning of ascendancy? Ascendancy. Ascendancy.
Ascendancy. Ascendancy. Ascendancy refers to the position of power or influence that someone or something has over others. It implies a state of dominance or superiority, and suggests that those in ascendancy have control over the direction of events. This can be seen in a variety of contexts, such as politics, economics, or social affairs. Those in ascendancy often have the ability to shape the narrative and influence the decisions made by others. Overall, ascendancy represents a state of authority and control that offers significant advantages to those who possess it.